energy, and your impact is infectious. So if we decided to pass light to one another, this entire room would be filled. It's not exponential, it's not linear. So if we could have a big round of applause, we've got our Wausau East and Wausau West students. They're going to join us.
Hello everyone, good morning. My name is Trevor Goring and I am a senior here at Wausau East. I see so many familiar faces today. Many of you have had me as a student here, or at Horace Mann, Riverview, or Hewitt, Texas. I'm sure as teachers, you're all told very frequently that you change lives and that your students will remember you for years to come. I can personally attest to this.
Is it Cindy? Everybody, Cindy's been in the district 48 years, ladies and gentlemen.
We have a phenomenal district, and being the leader of it is an absolute honor and privilege to be able to do. I'm so proud of the district that we belong to. I'm so proud of the